Adobe's latest update: seamless YouTube Shorts creation and editing with Adobe Premiere Mobile. Adobe Max 2025 brought exciting news for content creators. Adobe has partnered with YouTube to revolutionize the way creators edit and publish YouTube Shorts. With this integration, creators can now harness the power of Adobe Premiere's professional-grade tools and effects directly on their mobile devices. Here's how it works. Direct editing in Adobe Premiere Mobile. Soon, when creating a YouTube short, you'll see a new option: Edit in Adobe Premiere. Tap on it, and Adobe Premiere will open in a special Create for YouTube Shorts mode. This mode is tailored for vertical videos, offering a range of templates, transitions, text presets, and effects specifically designed for shorts. Firefly AI for enhanced creativity. Adobe's Firefly AI is also integrated into this process. It allows for quick video editing, background edits, and color correction. The best part? With just one tap, you can publish your video as a YouTube short, making the entire process seamless and efficient. This feature is initially available on iPhones, marking a significant step forward in mobile video creation. While other platforms like TikTok and Instagram offer their own video editing tools, YouTube's integration with Adobe Premiere brings a new level of professional editing capabilities to mobile creators. But that's not all. Adobe Max 2025 unveiled even more AI-powered features. Adobe Firefly's custom models. Adobe Firefly now supports custom models that can be trained with just 6 to 12 images. This expands the possibilities for personalized content creation. Layered image editing and higher resolution. Layered image editing is coming, enabling more complex and detailed image manipulation. Higher resolution output means creators can achieve even more stunning visuals. Generative fill with third-party AI. Users can now utilize third-party AI models from Google, Flux, and others for the generative fill feature in Adobe Photoshop. This allows for even more creative freedom in image editing. The future of content creation is here, and Adobe is leading the way with innovative tools and seamless workflows. Are you ready to take your content creation to the next level?